Hello everyone, welcome to TradeHull. If you are trading in multiple indices or stocks, you are in the right place. We all know that price fluctuation in the market are common and can quickly turn our profits into losses before even we can react. But fear not, because we have a solution for you. At TradeHull, we are algorithmic traders with over 7 years of experience in developing algorithms to serve traders with the solution they need. Today, we are excited to introduce you to one of the flagship software products, Robo. Let's dive into a live demo of Robocop. Okay, so here you can see the scripts. You can add any script of any segment you would like to trade in, and you will simply say their last traded price here, volume, change, and other details if you slide. Now in the help section, you can find the examples of indicators you can add for your strategy and the order type supported by Robocop. So I am just taking for now is super trend. So let's take super trend. I will just paste it here with the same settings. So here we can see the super trend is reflecting its signals as this down signal is came in crude oil future. So we have got the down signal here. We can also add scripts on runtime, like I am adding ACC. So its details will also be reflected here. So here we can see. Now we will simply build a strategy on the signals of super trend. So I am writing the condition here equal if super trend equals to sell move down. So signal should be sell. So we have got the sell signal. We will just follow it up for ahead. So we will just cut and paste these condition in the sell section. Before that, we have to place order type here. So because it's 524, so it's aftermarket. So we can simply see that the orders are placed for the sell signals we got. The sell signals are not here now because the super trend has now changed, and we can also check the status here. I will also show you once you know the dashboard. So you can create multiple strategies on multiple indicators or any price action you want. It's very easy to use. If you know to use Excel, you know what can the Robocop do. So if you want to place as stop loss or target, you can simply create an exit condition. Here is the exit column. You can write condition like if you want to place a target order, we can place a condition if LTP is greater than B3 is greater than executed price plus, let's say our stop target is 400 LTP, then here the signal should be exit else none. So we have got the exit signal because the executed price is 0 for now because the status of the order is rejected. And it has placed a reversed sell order. We can simply see order is exited, which is rejected. So it can also place stop loss order, and you can create multiple strategies according to your desires. If you are interested in this cutting edge software and want to make your trading to the next level, don't hesitate to contact us at the number below. Join the future of trading with TradeHull and Robocop. Don't miss out the opportunity to gain an edge in the market. Get in touch with us today. Thank you.